everyone, it's Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I have a new pattern reveal that's in the shops now, and that is the Bauble bag in crochet. So this is just a simple little bag made in crochet that has two little loops so that you can loop it through and slip it on your wrist and take off wherever you're going. But the way that I made this, I wanted to make it perfect for a single cake skein project. So it fits a cake of yarn perfectly inside with your crochet hook so that you can crochet on the go, so you can actually pull out your project, slip it on your wrist, and crochet while standing or riding the bus or the metro or the train or whatever you may ride. You can just go right on ahead and work that project. So the pattern itself, it is an intermediate pattern, mostly because of the shaping and then these I-cords. There's a photo tutorial though for these I-cords so that you can see how to make them exactly, and also some kind of a little tip in there, a little trick to make it a little easier. But you could definitely also use this for a purse or for a like catch-all that you can hang on your doorknob. So, you know, if you lose your keys a lot, throw this inside your front door and throw your keys in it every day and your problem is solved. So it's a really fast working project. It's about less than 100 yards of super bulky yarn, actually probably even less than 90. I think it was about 85, and a 6mm hook. That seems kind of small for super bulky, but I do smaller hooks on super bulky when I want something structured. So you can see this doesn't flop over even if I take out the yarn when it's standing up because of that small hook. So check it out. The links are in the description. The Bauble bag from me, Deja, Knit and Crochet Ever After. Follow the, hit the follow button if you want to see more patterns, free patterns, giveaways, all that kind of stuff that I like to do on this channel. And thank you for watching.